Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to set up payments on your Gumroad account. First you should be logged into your Gumroad account. After that you should click on Dashboard. Then click on Settings. After that you should click on Payments from this menu. On this page is shown, you should verify your account if your account isn't verified yet. If you don't know how to verify your account, you will find a tutorial on this channel. Please find this tutorial in this description of this video. After that, scroll down until you find the payment methods. Select either your bank account, debit card or PayPal. Enter the details such as order of, the routing number, account number, etc. The same for PayPal and the same for your debit card. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.